Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Da ka jing smukhia halor ka jing sha thombor u secretary jong ka himanong spong ba Michael Wardry hakasnong khapot hapdeng ka Meghalaya bat Assam Haribhoi district ki MLA ka sang Congress badan hakaleng persya hayeng dor bar thawan ka jilla haka khatwai trek mataw bana jemang 8000 khat khandai kila her sakasnong bala khawa ban sakhi dala ki jong ki khman ya ka jing jular bat du nong ka yeng ka sam bat ki jing don jing em jong ba Michael Wardry yakani ka kanhon ki MLA jong ka sang Congress hakani ka jilla lailam da menteri rang ba barem ka jilla u Dr Mukul Sangma u balong mentapat unong yalam kaleng persya bat ki MLA ki blalet sakani ka jaka hakani ka sngi ki kanthop ya MLA jong ka nongpo constituency u ba Merrill Bonds em ka MLA na East Shillong ka kong Ampurin Lingdo u MLA ka Rang Sakona na West Garo Hills district u Zenit Sangma u MLA ka Maurang Kaneng u ba David Nongrom u MLA ka West Shillong u ba Mahendro Rapsang u MLA ka Sutnga u ba Shitlang Pale bat u MLA ka Rempra Jerngam constituency u ba Bajop Pongrop.
One case was the road construction, and I think the High Court will stay on
this one. I'm aware of that. Yes.
So I think after that also there was some movement for the construction of these two bridges, and he was a very vocal person to stop. Okay?
Yeah.
That was the main reason, and well started construction.
So the court stay is on this road.
Yes. The night of incident, ADC sir and Mr. ADC. After they had a talk with the counterpart. And again from AD some positions and they had a mutual talk.
Then
So there was some errors but the judicial fall under Meghalaya. So FR also was filed in Patna and in this thing according to we arrested 3, no? But till now I don't know the status of that bail sir was supposed to release personal.
who are those things arrested?
Actually these are the men we are one of the lot.
We are here. You must have seen the roads along with me. Okay, the road is within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya, and that has been the bone of contention. And the offshoot is that ultimately you see this incident where the house has been ransacked. So we'll further take up with both the government. We would like to see that both the governments sit immediately, resolve these issues so that these particular incidents don't ultimately create a precedence for future wherein it will be a precursor for similar kind of conflict in the future.